Hey guys, welcome back once again, and I want to say happy new year to all of you guys officially. I'm welcoming you guys to the year 2020. How was the holiday, the Christmas and the new year? Did you have fun? Did you spend time with family? Did you go on a vacation? What did you do? Did you work? I worked. I was working 25th, 26th, 28th, 28, 29, 30. I was working. I almost fell ill, actually. It was tiring. But as a makeup artist, it's our peak period, so you don't have a choice, but you have to work if you want to make money. So it was just like the new year that I got some time to really relax. I traveled, not like far away, but I went like to Ogun State, which is just like 2-3 hours away from Lagos, where I stayed, to go visit my brother. Like, I went with my siblings. It was fun. And when I came back, I took some days, a few more days to relax, and I'm just shooting. Today is the 9th of January, the particular day that I'm shooting this video. This is my first shoot of the year, and I'm pretty excited about what the year 2020 holds. And I really pray it works out for every one of us and we get what our heart desires this year. So I'm going to be beginning my shoot this year with a PR unboxing. I'm going to be showing you guys some new products that got sent to me as PR. Let me just say I was gifted by some brands, majorly Nigerian brands. I actually got this product as late as December last year when I went for the Christmas makeup fair, and I got gifted some of these products, while some of them actually got sent to me from like 1 or 2 international brands. So I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I got. And yeah, before I forget, if you are a new subscriber, please hit the subscribe button. If you're a new viewer, rather, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you're an old subscriber, you know how we do it. Let's just get right into the video, guys. So this is like a big paper bag. This is one of the brands that sent me like a huge truckload of products, and I have some other brands that I just basically put everything in here to make it easier for me to access. So I'm going to be taking them out one by one and showing you guys everything that I have in here. So to begin with, this one is from an international brand. They reached out to me a while back. It's a brand called Melon Color. It's a contact lens brand. They sent me some contact lenses. So there's a card here from Melon Color. Thanks, my dear. Thanks for your support, blah blah blah. This is a thank you card basically. Then over here, let me see what this is. Soft hydrophilic contact lenses. Okay, so I actually chose the shades because they gave me the link to their website to choose the shades that I wanted. So I picked this one. I think this is like a very light frosty blue shade. And then there's this one. This one is another shade of contact lens, and it's like a very, very soft light brown contact lens. So I think I have 2 pairs of contact lenses from Melon Color contact lenses. And I have the contact lenses case. They sent me 2 of them actually. Then over here there's a leaflet. They have a leaflet over here. I think this is basically like directions on how to wear contact lens, which I think like for a beginner this is going to be really, really helpful. So I think that's all. Let's move over to the next. Baby, 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 baby. Guys, the next PR stuff that I have here is these 3 different pairs of lashes, and it's from Mismetics. I've been going so hard for Mismetics. I actually really, really love the brand. I've patronized them so many times. So they gifted me these 3 and there are 3 different lash designs. I don't know if you guys can see the difference in the 3 of them here. This is actually their premium mink collection. Okay, this one is named Bailey, so I'm feeling like maybe the name tags of the others might have fallen off. So let me just open one of them up so that I can feel them. Oh my god. Oh, this feels heavenly. Mink, like it feels so fluffy and soft, like mink. I'm dramatic, I know, but like I'm so excited. I can't wait to try this one. And I already know I'm not going to be disappointed because I already love their lashes anyways. Over here, guys, I have another lash brand, and this is Belvana. Sorry, it's called the Belvina. It's called Belvana. What is wrong with me? Serious. It's called Belvana lashes basically, and it's a Nigerian brand. And I have to tell you guys, it's actually my girl. She's a model, and when she told me she was like gonna have her own cosmetic brand, I was extremely proud of her. And I'm like, okay girl, send me some of your stuff, let me feature them on my channel. At least let me do my bit to at least, you know, give you some publicity in the little way that I can on my platform. So she sent me these lashes, and yeah, these ones are like really full and thick and dramatic. These are definitely not mink, but they are not synthetic. I think it's kind of like a cross, but they are really soft and fluffy anyways. So I'm going to be trying this out, and this is the Belvana lashes in the style 007. Guys, the next products that I have here are from John T. John T is a natural hair brand, and of course I know her. She's a young lady that I know, that I'm very proud of her hustle. So she actually saw me at the makeup fair, and then she gave this to me. This is the Sweet Melanin shampoo, and it has caffeine, neem and tea tree oil. It's for repair, anti-breakage and anti-dandruff. I think I even have dandruff. Like, this thing came in at the right time. Then this is a hydrating leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to be trying them out and letting you guys know my thoughts on them. I actually really like the packaging. Like, these are Ankara patterns. This green star Ankara, that's what I can see here. So that's really Nigerian, and I like that. Guys, over here I have this brush cleaner. This is from Beauty by Ensure. Hi Sissy Missy. This is a brand. Beauty by Ensure is a brand owned by a Nigerian makeup artist. It's kind of like a big sis to me, Yemisi, and she's also a YouTuber. You guys go check her out. That is her YouTube name. So this is her brush cleaner, and it's all natural, quick drying, disinfects, and it has a fruity smell. It kills bacteria, preserves brush life, and non-toxic. And the beauty of brush cleaners is that you can, like, sometimes when you have a job and your brushes are not clean, you can quickly just clean. So it also cleans the brushes. It cleanses, what's the right English? It cleanses the brushes, and it also disinfects. Disinfecting is very important. So even when you wash your brushes, it's very important to disinfect your brushes after. So I think I may make a video showing you guys how to properly clean your brushes using this. Over here I have this pencil from Paula Beauty. Paula Beauty is not a strange brand. You guys have seen me use this brand and talk about this brand and review this brand in the past. So this is a purple shade. I have the blue, the green, the black, and I have the brow pencil, which is like one of my absolute favorites. So this is the purple one that they also gifted to me at the makeup fair. Over here I have these lipsticks. They're like 5 different shades from a brand called Peace Beauty Cosmetics. So Peace Beauty is actually a new brand. It's a Nigerian brand, but the brand owner is actually not based here in Nigeria. So this got sent to me to make a video and to review, and I'm really excited to see what they look like and what they swatch like. And so guys, now for the products that I got from Blossom Makeup, this is a Nigerian brand again. I have quite some products here. First of all, I'll be talking about their eyeshadow palette. This is the very famous, I've heard so much about this palette. I've seen it on a couple of other makeup artists and YouTube channels here, and this is their 35 color matte and cream eyeshadow palette. So let me open it up to show you guys what it looks like inside. Ooh, yummy. Like, the colors are popping. Okay, let me just swatch a few of the shades. Let me swatch this one. This one is a shimmer metallic shade. This is like a beautiful copper shade. Oh, very creamy. So let me swatch a matte shade this time. Let me do this pink shade here. Woo. Do you guys see that? Wow, I'm so excited to try this out. Okay, so guys, the next thing that I have here is the Blossom Makeup Mirror Foundation. This foundation is a full coverage super stay matte foundation. I'm not gonna open it now. I will open it. Should I open it now? No, but this is the shade Coffee, and they swatched me, so I believe this is actually my shade because they gave me my shade that day. I have a beauty sponge here from Blossom Makeup. packaging is really cute. Let me see how soft it is. You guys, this is so soft. Yeah, I love the feel of this already. It has no latex, and I could tell because it doesn't like bounce back. You know, there are some of them that have this bouncy feel. This doesn't really have that. In as much as it's soft, it doesn't have that stretchy bouncy feel that those with latex have, which I think is good. Over here is the mascara, also from Blossom Cosmetics. I think they basically have everything, like everything in their makeup brand. Then I have a brow pencil. I told you guys they have everything. Like, it's not open yet. I'm not going to open it. This is the shade Coffee. So this is a sculpt lip pencil stroke, an eye pencil. I'm going to be using this for my brows. Then here I have a matte eyeshadow primer. So they have an eyeshadow primer, and this eyeshadow primer is white. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow primer, and it's in the shade 01. Okay, you guys can see. Oh, it's really creamy, but not like greasy. And it also has like an applicator. I don't know if I'm going to use this. I will find out that day. Okay, so the next thing that I have here is an eyeliner stroke eyebrow gel from Blossom Makeup. It's 2-in-1, and I think it's like it has like 2 colors in one pot. Let me show you guys. Ooh, okay. So you see there's a shade blue and then there's a shade black, so it's 2-in-1. I've always been wanting to have a blue eyeliner. It has this applicator brushes. This one has a spoolie, while this one has like an angled tip. It has a second brush here. I think this one is like for drawing your eyeliner or whatever. So yeah, that's that for this one. So guys, I have their high definition oil control setting powder here, and this shade is like kind of like a brown shade. I don't think I have any setting powder that is a brown shade. I usually have those that are yellow or translucent or flat out white, and they turn out looking ashy on me. So I'm really excited to try out a brown setting powder for the first time. This is the shade Nutmeg. Last thing that I have here from Blossom Cosmetics is this lip gloss. This is their Blossom Body Luxury Lip Gloss, and that's all for everything that I got in PR. So guys, this is the end of the video. I can't wait to create looks with everything that I've got. So you guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, to subscribe if you haven't. Drop me a comment. Which of these things are you excited to watch me play with? And generally, what are your expectations for this year? Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next one, and I absolutely love you guys. Bye.